Hi, welcome to the Coffee Laboratory. I am Manson, a Specialty Coffee Association Authorized trainer. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of espresso, a beloved beverage that captivates coffee lovers around the globe. If you've ever savored a perfectly brewed shot of espresso and found yourself curious about the intricate process behind it, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned coffee enthusiast or just starting your brewing journey, understanding the art of espresso is essential for anyone who appreciates this rich and complex drink. Espresso isn't merely a drink, it represents a craft and a culture that has evolved over centuries. Throughout our exploration, we will uncover the various methods that skilled baristas employ to create that coveted shot of espresso, beginning with the critical choice of beans. The type of coffee bean, its origin, and how it's processed can significantly influence the flavor profile of the espresso. From there, we will delve into the extraction process, where precision is key. This involves not just the right water temperature and pressure, but also the grind size and tamping technique, all of which play a vital role in achieving that rich crema on top. Along the way, I'll share valuable tips and tricks to help you navigate the brewing process at home, ensuring you can replicate that cafe-quality espresso in your own kitchen. We will also discuss common pitfalls to avoid, such as over-extraction or under-extraction, which can lead to a less-than-ideal cup. So, whether you're looking to impress friends or simply enjoy a moment of coffee bliss, grab your favorite mug, sit back, and let's embark on this brewing adventure together. With each sip, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry of espresso and its role in the vibrant coffee culture we cherish today. First things first, what exactly is espresso? At its core, espresso is a concentrated coffee beverage crafted by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee beans under high pressure. This meticulous process not only extracts the rich, bold flavors inherent in the beans, but also creates a delightful creamy layer of foam known as crema, which sits atop the espresso shot and enhances both the aroma and texture. Understanding espresso is more than just knowing how it's made. It's about appreciating the intricate details that contribute to its unique characteristics and flavor profile. One of the most critical factors influencing the taste of your espresso is the type of coffee beans you choose. While there are many varieties of coffee beans available, most baristas prefer Arabica beans for their natural sweetness and complex flavor notes. Arabica beans tend to have a smooth, balanced taste with nuances that can range from fruity to nutty, making them a popular choice for espresso. On the other hand, Robusta beans are often utilized for their ability to produce a thicker crema and a more intense, slightly bitter flavor. The combination of these beans can create a harmonious balance, enhancing the overall depth of your espresso shot. Equally important to the flavor is the grind size of the coffee beans. For espresso, the grind must be fine, resembling the texture of sugar, to ensure optimal extraction. The grind size is crucial because if it's too coarse, the water will flow through the coffee too quickly, leading to a weak and underwhelming shot. Conversely, if the grind is too fine, the water struggles to pass through, resulting in over-extraction and a bitter taste. Achieving the perfect grind requires practice and attention to detail, as even slight variations can drastically alter the final product. Now let's discuss the espresso machine, the heart of the brewing process. There are several types of espresso machines available, each offering different features and levels of control. Manual machines require the most skill and effort, allowing the barista to control every aspect of the brewing process, from grind size to water pressure. Semi-automatic machines strike a balance, enabling users to control the grind and tamping while automating the brewing process. Finally, automatic machines provide convenience by regulating water flow and temperature, making them ideal for those who prefer a more hands-off approach. The choice of machine often comes down to personal preference, experience level, and how much time one is willing to invest in the brewing process. Now that we understand the fundamentals of espresso, let's talk about the brewing process itself, which is where the magic truly happens. The brewing process involves several key steps: measuring your coffee, grinding the beans to the appropriate size, tamping the grounds into the portafilter, and finally, locking it into the machine and starting the extraction. Timing is critical here, as a well-extracted shot typically takes around 25 to 30 seconds. This brief window is where all the elements, bean choice, grind size, and machine type, come together to create that perfect shot of espresso. As we delve deeper into this process, you'll discover that each element contributes to the final flavor and experience of your espresso. With practice, patience, and a bit of experimentation, you can refine your skills and elevate your home brewing game, enjoying the rich tapestry of flavors that espresso has to offer. So, let's get brewing! Before brewing your espresso, it's essential to properly prepare your espresso machine, as this step sets the stage for a successful extraction. Start by purging the group head. This means running hot water through the machine to remove any old coffee grounds that may have lingered from previous brews. Not only does this help maintain cleanliness, but it also heats up the machine, ensuring that every component reaches the optimal temperature. A hot machine is crucial because it allows the water to extract the flavors and oils from the coffee grounds effectively, leading to a richer and more flavorful espresso. Once your machine is ready, the next step is to measure your coffee accurately. A standard espresso shot typically requires about 18 to 20 grams of finely ground coffee. Using a scale for this measurement is vital. Precision in this step is crucial for achieving consistency across your brews. If you use too little coffee, your espresso could taste weak and underwhelming, while too much coffee can lead to bitterness and over-extraction. By weighing your coffee each time, you ensure that you can replicate your results, making it easier to refine your technique and enjoy the same delightful flavors shot after shot. After measuring, we move on to the art of tamping, a crucial part of the espresso making process that often gets overlooked. Tamping involves packing the ground coffee evenly into the portafilter. This is where skill comes into play. You want to use firm, even pressure. About 30 pounds of force is generally considered ideal. An uneven tamp can create channels within the coffee bed, causing water to flow too quickly through certain areas while bypassing others. This phenomenon, known as channeling, results in an uneven extraction, where some flavors are over-extracted and others are under-extracted, leading to a discordant taste in your espresso. Mastering the tamping technique can make a significant difference in the quality of your final shot, so it's worth taking the time to practice. With your portafilter filled and tamped, it's time to lock it into the machine and begin the extraction process. A perfect shot of espresso typically takes about 25 to 30 seconds to brew. During this time, keep a close eye on the flow of the espresso as it pours from the machine. Ideally, the espresso should flow out in a steady stream, resembling warm honey. This consistency is a visual cue that you're on the right track. It indicates that the water is interacting properly with the coffee grounds, extracting the rich flavors and oils that define a good espresso. If the flow is too fast, it may suggest that your grind is too coarse or that you haven't tamped firmly enough, while a slow flow could indicate that the grind is too fine or that you've tamped too hard. As the extraction completes, your attention should turn to the crema, that luscious golden layer that crowns a well-brewed shot of espresso. The crema is not just for show, it's a sign of a well-extracted shot and encapsulates the aromatic oils released during brewing. Ideally, the crema should be thick and velvety, with a rich golden brown color. If it appears too thin or lacks that luxurious texture, it may be time to adjust your grind size or tamping pressure to improve the extraction process. Remember, the crema is your indicator. It can guide you in perfecting your technique and enhancing the overall quality of your espresso. In summary, each step, from preparing your machine and measuring your coffee to tamping and observing the extraction, plays a critical role in crafting that perfect shot of espresso. With practice and attention to detail, you can refine your skills and create espresso that not only delights your palate, but also embodies the artistry and passion behind this beloved beverage. So, as you embark on your espresso making journey, take the time to enjoy each step, and relish the rich flavors and aromas that await you in that small, yet powerful cup. The ideal brewing temperature for espresso is critical, hovering around 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific range is essential because if the water is too hot, it can scorch the coffee grounds, leading to a burnt taste that overshadows the rich flavors you want to extract. Conversely, if the water temperature is too cool, you won't be able to extract enough flavor, resulting in a weak and underwhelming shot. Achieving this perfect temperature is a key factor in creating an exceptional espresso experience. However, temperature is just one piece of the puzzle. Consistency is equally vital. To achieve great espresso, it's crucial to always use the same amount of coffee, maintain the same grind size, and apply consistent tamping pressure. Variations in any of these elements can lead to unpredictable results, making it difficult to replicate the perfect shot time after time. Utilizing a scale to measure your coffee and a timer to monitor your extraction time can greatly aid in achieving this consistency. By focusing on these details, you can refine your technique and elevate your espresso making skills, ensuring that every cup is as delightful as the last. To support our channel, please follow our Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy the coffee moments. See you! If you're interested in coffee, consider joining the Coffee Skills program, which offers essential knowledge and practical skills for the industry. Beginners should start with the Introduction to Coffee course, designed to provide a foundational understanding of the coffee journey from bean to cup. This course is a great first step for those looking to pursue a career in coffee or enhance their appreciation of the beverage. Whether you aspire to be a barista, open a cafe, or simply enjoy coffee more deeply,